Let's speak about Ideanomics, baby. Ticker symbol IDEX. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. Look, I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And now we want to speak about a stock that I've been watching for quite a while. I've made a couple of videos on them, but we haven't spoke about them in a long time. So I want to kind of remind you guys of what they do. I want to remind you guys a little bit about their mission and one or two things from their investor presentation. But the main thing I want to speak about is this, okay? They just yesterday signed a definitive agreement to acquire Utah-based wireless charging provider Wave. And you can see that the market reacted very positively to this, and the company went up about 13.5% yesterday. Now, pre-market trading, I've seen it be up a little bit, I've seen it be down a little bit. It's kind of hovering somewhere around break even. Tough to know what's going to happen here. Would also like to point out we are looking at a company that's $2.34 a share, and they have a market cap of about 559 million. There's been a lot of hype surrounding these guys for the last few months, but they've been, pretty much in a stage of consolidation for a month or so now, a quite considerable range, but a range nonetheless. So I just want to come on and talk and give my thoughts and let you guys know if I'm potentially considering finally opening a position in this company. So right before we do get into the video, my friends, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. I'm interested. Are you guys invested in this company? And what price did you get in if so? And please, my friend, if you're already new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. I mean, what are you waiting for? Join the family of investors. Also, if you're interested in joining my private Discord group, that's the first link in the description. In there you get access to all of my buy and sell alerts. You join a community of over 750 active investors. There's over 50 private channels, one of which is actually an Ideanomics chat. We're also doing a $1,000 cash giveaway on Friday, my friends. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description. You just have to sign up, deposit $100, and get some free money, baby. So with that being said, this news obviously came out yesterday. And that's where we should start it off, okay? So they signed the definitive agreement to acquire these guys. Wave was actually founded all the way back in 2011 and is a leading provider of wireless charging systems for commercial EVs. So this isn't exactly a new concept. It's something that's been around a long time. A lot of you guys who look into Blink will be aware that they are also working on a wireless charging system. It's not quite the same as what these guys do though. Its technology is proven in the field with multiple customer deployments as it is. So it's not just a concept, it is a proven product, which is very important. And their 2020 unaudited revenues are expected to be in the region of $7 million with a bargoing pipeline for 2021 and beyond. So it has acquired 100% of this company as well. So it is now wholly owned by Ideanomics. So they offer these charging solutions, okay, for medium and heavy duty electric vehicles, such as this huge bus right here, okay? It's embedded in roadways and charging vehicles during scheduled stops. It's a fully automated, hands-free system, eliminates battery range limitations and enables fleets to achieve driving ranges that match that of internal combustion engines. So it's quite cool. It's literally embedded into roadways. Deployed since 2012, Wave has demonstrated the capability to develop and integrate high-power charging systems into heavy-duty electric vehicles from leading commercial EV manufacturers. With commercially available wireless charging systems up to 250 kilowatt and higher power systems in development, Wave provides custom fleet solutions for mass transit, logistics, airport and campus shuttles, drayage fleets and off-road vehicles at ports and industrial sites. I mean, it makes a lot of sense for fleets. You bring your vehicle back to the same place every single day. You can just park and it's charging. It offers a few obvious benefits, but one I like is wireless in-route charging enables greater route lengths or smaller batteries while also maintaining battery life. So it could essentially extend an actual battery in a vehicle. Wave customers include the largest EV bus system in the US. One of the guys on my Discord group actually shared this into the channel earlier on. I thought it was very interesting. Ideanomics owns and has stakes in 10 companies, okay? MEG 100%. That's one that a lot of people will know about. Pretty much their biggest. Dbot Intelligenta Liquify 10%. Longest Storm Solartrack 24%, Timios 100%, it goes on, now Wave charging 100%. Shout out to you, Kyle, you've been very active lately. So to understand a little bit more about all of this, what is their mission? To facilitate the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and support next generation financial services and fintech products. So our electric vehicle division is Mobile Energy Global, MEG, provides group purchasing discounts on commercial electric vehicles, EV batteries and electricity, as well as financing and charging solutions. And then Ideanomics Capital provides intelligent and innovative services for the fintech industry. Together, MEG and Ideanomics Capital provide our global customers and partners with more efficient solutions. So these guys were somewhat known for their capital raises, and it's for things like this, is to acquire companies like Wave. And that's why I on this channel often say that I don't mind capital raises, because it can lead to putting the business in a better long-term position, which Ideanomics has gone ahead and done. So their business segments, the main two we're looking at are the EV subsidiaries, okay, that's MEG, and the fintech subsidiaries, okay. They also do have investments, as we said, in a few other companies, and they also have media subsidiaries. It's an American company company with a global footprint. You love to see it. MEG, for example, has offices in Beijing, Qingdao, and wherever that place is. So opportunities for Ideanomics S2 F2C revenue model. That's essentially their electric vehicle division. They refer to this as sales to financing to charging. Typical spread fees derive from group purchasing of commercial vehicles. So trucks and specialty vehicles, they make 6 to 8%, buses 6 to 15%, taxis 2 to 4%, and vans 2 to 15%. And anticipated fees derive from selling energy, about 3%. So that energy includes prepaid sales to fleet operators, sales to EV charging stations, sales to 5G towers, and a Form 1 energy card. So Medici is developing a line of zero emission heavy trucks and buses, as well as other types of commercial vehicles, in partnership with leading OEM partners. Their competitive advantage is price. Through its proprietary technology and close relationship with OEMs, Medici will be able to bring a market cost efficient vehicle in each class, aiming to save 15 to 20% of the purchase price and lifetime cost of ownership versus competitors. Trick, okay, placed orders for the first tranche of 1,000 plus units for Thailand and Indonesian markets. Recently hired a Volkswagen veteran, Richard Hyo, as a CFO. All of the companies that these guys own or are invested in seem to be doing very, very well. Then we have Solictrack, okay, electric tractors, baby. They're kind of covering absolutely everything. Now, the electric vehicle division Q4 2020 activities. So the Trick currently placing orders with its manufacturing partners, investment in the sales teams, and Medici Motorworks BEV vehicles, okay, are progressing towards the homologation required for sales in North America. Now, Q3 financial highlights, okay? Revenue growth each quarter for 3 sequential quarters. That is awesome, okay? Monthly unit delivery updates to market. Revenue is up 2.3 times compared to Q2 2020, just compared to the prior quarter, and 3.4 times compared to Q3 2019. Revenue is growing quickly. And also, revenue is going up. Reduction of $1.6 million in annual operating cost. What we want to see going up is going up. What we want to see come down is coming down. They have an active M&A and investment pipeline, very clear to see, and a strong cash position. That's where we need them to be to continue the investments and the acquisitions. Just want to show you MEG's 2020 deliveries, okay? Look at the third quarter. Look at the growth quarter over quarter. It's been absolutely huge, my friends. If you keep up this kind of growth rate, a 500-600% growth rate, you grow very quickly, that's all I gotta say. And this is just one of their divisions. Now, in my opinion, this company still does have a whole lot to prove. I mean, look, they're $550 million market cap. They're trading at $2.34 a share. Again, if I show you that monthly chart, they have big ups and downs. 6-month charts, you can see they were trading down for a long time. If I bring you all the way back to a 5-year chart, look at just how volatile they can be, my friends. But I have watched these guys, and I have seen them turn into a better and better company, particularly over the last few months. And I do genuinely believe there is quite a bit of long-term potential here. I love the way they're trying to take their business. I love the industries they're focusing on, and I love how they handle business at the end of the day. We've been watching them for a long time. I remember watching them when they jumped up. I remember watching them just below $1 a share. Never jumped in, and I genuinely am considering jumping in now, even although if you look on that 6-month chart, there's already been a huge run-up. I do think this is a company who has a lot more room to run. With that being said, do remember, they're still pretty much a penny stock. They do carry considerable risk, but it's not the kind of penny stock that's going to go up 300% in a day, or more likely lose 60% in a day. It is going to be volatile, but it's not one of those really micro cap companies. I do think they're in a very good position to grow in the long term, but I do think if you want to be a long-term investor, you better be ready to hold through some red as well, my friends. But anyway, guys, if you watched this video all the way to the end, you are a true legend, and I appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. If you enjoyed the video, could I please ask you, hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. If you're interested in joining my private Discord group, please feel free to hit that first link in the description, my friends. Again, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. You get access to all of my buy and sell alerts, over 50 private channels. We have an Ideanomics channel, we have a penny stock channel, we have everything. And if you want those 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.